to the SMS channel. Today we will be talking about chemical and allergic reactions to nail polish. Please refrain from eating too loudly and remember to turn your cell phones off if you haven't done so already. Thank you and enjoy the show. Hi everybody, this is Samantha Braffman coming to you all the way from Science Friday. Have you ever thought of your nails as living things? Well, in this video I will prove how much you have to take care of your nails. My two experts are Mrs. Jewett and Dr. Skur, who will be played as Alyssa Yanta because he can't be here. What are the side effects from using nail polish?
Allergic reactions can occur to the skin and the nail, like lifting of the nail and nail fungus and very infrequent nail infections.
This was my expert, Dr. Skur. The question of the day is, what chemicals may cause the allergic reaction? Why do they occur?
They occur because some ingredients in the nail polish, like the chemicals or ingredients a person can be allergic to, and so some of the ingredients dry out the skin and nail, and they just aren't good for them sometimes.
I also asked why manufacturers put chemicals that are harmful into the nail polish. I found out that they don't knowingly do it. This is my second expert, Mrs. Jewett. What are some side effects from using nail polish?
Well, most people tolerate it just fine, but people with a sensitivity or allergy can have redness and pain around the cuticle. They can get small red blisters, and the nail can become damaged.
The dead or hard skin around the base of the fingernail or toenail.
You want to avoid it. One thing is to make sure your hands are clean and dry and the skin is in good condition without already pre-existing cuts and cracks or damage to the surrounding skin. That could increase your sensitivity.
What kind of nail polish contain all these chemicals that hurt your nails?
I'd say most of the nail polishes contain those 5 chemicals that I talked about. The DBP, the formaldehyde, the toluene, the formaldehyde resin, and the camphor.
Wait, did you say formaldehyde, the stuff they use to preserve dead bodies? If you look hard enough, you may find nail polish without these 5 chemicals. Are these nails discolored? Yes. How about these? No. See you next week on Discolored or Not.
Look at the ingredients in the products and look for ones that were product-free. And they would list them. A lot of them, because there are more sensitivities now than there used to be, they will on their packaging say that it's this chemical or that chemical free.
A substance that is made in a specific process. If you ever have staining on your nails, just remember my video and my science experiment because it will help a lot. My nails look awful. If only there was a way to fix them. And now you can. I'm going to teach you how to get rid of yellow nails. First, you need a teaspoon of baking powder in a bowl. And then you take a lemon, half a lemon like so, and you squeeze the lemon until all of its juices are out. And it will start bubbling, but that's because of all the chemicals in the lemon and the baking soda. You need to squeeze it until you pretty much have all the lemon juice out, and you don't want to throw away the lemon until later because you're going to use it later. And the bubbles will start dying down, and then you want to mix all that together with your fingers, and then you want to pretty much soak it in there for 15 minutes. The reason why lemon juice and baking powder or baking soda react is an organic compound in the simplest aldehyde. Any class of a highly organic compound that is similar to acetaldehyde and characterized by an organic functional group which is attached to a hydrogen atom. Synthetic polymers obtained by the reaction of phenol. A compound formed from two or more polymeric compounds. A poisonous acidic compound. A waxy, flammable, white or transparent solid with a strong aromatic odor. A pleasant smell. A clear water insoluble with the smell of paint thinners. Insoluble, can't be turned into water. A commonly used plasticizer. A chemical added to rubbers or resins to increase flexibility, workability, and stretchability.
You're done soaking your hands in here for 15 minutes. Then you take the lemon that you put aside for later and you put your fingers in it, and then you clasp it down and you start rubbing it like it's a sponge. And after, if you spend about 5 minutes each on each hand, then altogether it'll equal 20 minutes. And you just use this like a sponge and the yellow will come off.
Hopefully this works. The next time you put dark nail polish on, try thinking of what may happen if you do it. Hopefully I answered any questions you may have about nail polish. This video was very fun to do, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Hopefully it was not too boring for your liking. I want to give a special shout out to Mrs. Andreka, who made this all happen, and to Mrs. Susan Jewett, who gave me the knowledge to present this video. Also to Dr. Skur, who gave me the knowledge to do this. Even though we couldn't meet, he still emailed me and gave me the answers for Alyssa to do. Please applause generously. from viewers like you. Thank you. For Science Friday, I'm Samantha Brathman.